Hello and welcome to Try Django. This is a class about learning the Django web framework. This framework, of course, is made in Python. Python is the programming language that it is written in. So realistically, Django is a bunch of Python code all put together. And Django is this framework that allows us to build full-on web applications. So I'm super excited that you're here, you're learning, you're about to join in this growing community of Django knots, people that use Django, or, well, the technical term is actually for professionals that use Django, but Django knots all around the world that are just going crazy about this web framework because it is seriously the best. I've tried so many others, and I think Django as a framework is the best, Python is the best programming language, and then all the other things considered, this class is hopefully going to help you actually get started with Django. Now, we are going to be constantly adding new stuff to this class, so let us know if you have any feedback or suggestions. And then also something to note about this class is it is repetitive. We do repeat a lot of this stuff over and over so you can get it and you can actually launch your own project. Now, the projects themselves are slightly different each time, but it does cover Django, it covers some Python, and it covers Bootstrap, which is a front-end framework where Django is a back-end framework. And all of this stuff is created by Coding for Entrepreneurs. We have a lot of other Django projects, so if you search out Coding for Entrepreneurs, you will see that we have all types of projects that are related to Django itself, because our projects themselves are actually written in Django as well. So if you have any questions for me, let me know either in the class itself, or you can send us a direct message, codingforentrepreneurs@gmail.com. That is a way that you can connect with us, and I personally try to answer as many questions as I possibly can. I think it helps you guys learn more, and then also it should give you the feeling that, hey, you've got someone's there, got your back to help you learn this stuff, and that's what we do. So again, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining Try Django.